California State Senator Dave Cortese, and I am honored and proud to stand with my colleagues from the Santa Clara County delegation here today when Assemblymember Evan Lowe asked me if I would come here in solidarity. I answered yes before he could finish asking the question. And you just heard our colleague Ash Kalra, who has been absolutely stalwart in terms of human rights as a city council member and as a state assemblyman, so I'm proud to be here. We're all here because these attacks and these hate crimes on the API community go against all of the values that we hold dear as Americans and as Californians and what we grew up with. And I grew up here in the Valley of Heart's Delight next to Japanese American farmers who farm side by side with us, and I'm so grateful to see Congressman Honda here, who stood with Norm Mineta, his predecessor, stronger than anyone in the U.S. Congress in reestablishing human rights on behalf of Japanese Americans and reparations. That said, my neighbor, a man named Tad Harita, when I was growing up, fought in the 442nd in World War II, the most decorated, 100% API, almost all Japanese American force to fight on behalf of the United States of America. How is it that we come to a place where the ancestors of the API community at large, the entire API community who have fought for freedom and democracy and human rights here, for all of us to stand here today and rally, are the victims of hate crimes? Will we stand for that?
No.
Laws are necessary to eradicate this disease from our society. Are you with me on that?
Yes.